Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a Revolut business account. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you have to open any browser here. Then go to the search bar and type in Revolut business account. And now after typing in this and hitting enter, you will see different search results. You have to go to the one that says www.revolut.com business account manage your finances. Click on that and it is going to show you this page here. You will have to first of all accept all the cookies, then click on the get started button you will get here. You can also click on three-line icon in the top right and click on the sign up button at the bottom. But you can also click on get started like I did. Now it will take you this page where you will have to first of all choose your country and then click on continue. After this, if Revolut is not available in your country, you will have to click on join waitlist. Now choose your business type and click on continue. Now simply enter your email address, then click on continue. Now enter the code you would have received on your email. After entering the code you received your email, you have to enter your phone number and click on continue. Enter the code you would have received on your phone number. Now simply create a strong password and then click on continue. After that it is going to show you this page. So you will have to simply enter your first name and last name. Now enter your date of birth and then enter your business name and click on continue, and as you can see we have successfully joined the wait list for our account. So under 24 to 48 hours, Revolut will send you an email where they would have successfully allowed you to join their platform and your waitlist time will be over. So that is the simplest way to open a Revolut business account. Now let's say you are in the country where Revolut is allowed. So what you have to do is, again after entering the country here, tap on this continue. Now choose your business type, click on continue, enter your email, click on continue. After entering the code on your email, what you will have to do is simply enter your phone number again, enter the code. So after following the prompts, coming to the next step, what you have to do is choose your citizenship on this page. So you will have to choose your citizenship and choose I have a proof of residence at the state of incorporation, your business legal name, business trade name, EIN, date of incorporation, then click on continue. Follow the prompts and you would have successfully opened a Revolut business account. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to open a Revolut business account. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.